Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could truly transform your life forever, a yoga flow that's designed to rejuvenate your mind, body, and spirit. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned yogi, this sequence is perfect for anyone looking to find balance, increase flexibility, and connect with their inner calm. We'll start with some gentle warm-ups to awaken the body. Begin in mountain pose, standing tall with your feet together, and take a few deep breaths. This is your time to set an intention for your practice, whether it's for strength, peace, or clarity. Then, slowly move into a forward fold, letting go of any tension in your neck and shoulders. Next, we transition into downward dog. This pose is amazing for stretching your hamstrings and calves, while also building strength in your arms and shoulders. Hold here for a few breaths before flowing into Cobra Pose. As you lift your chest, feel the gentle stretch in your spine, opening up your heart space and boosting your energy. We'll then move into warrior poses. Warrior I and Warrior II are fantastic for building lower body strength and improving balance. These poses empower you to stand strong both physically and mentally. Take a few moments to feel grounded in each position, focusing on your breath. To close, we'll transition into the relaxing child's pose, allowing your body to fully unwind and absorb the benefits of the practice. Finally, end with Savasana, lying flat on your back, and take a few minutes to let go of everything, embracing the peace and clarity yoga brings. This flow, when practiced regularly, can have a life-changing impact on your overall well-being. You'll notice increased flexibility, reduced stress, and a deeper connection to yourself. If this sounds like the change you're looking for, give it a try. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on more life-changing yoga flows. See you in the next video.